Over the past decade, the video game industry has managed to eclipse the movie, music, and television industries. There are currently an estimated 2.5 billion active gamers worldwide, who have spent more than $150 billion on games in 2019 alone. While common money laundering channels such as real estate, online gambling, and shell companies are increasingly being monitored, criminals have flocked to low or unregulated channels. The gaming industry, particularly the online multiplayer gaming market, has seen an upsurge in malicious activities in recent years. This is due to its unregulated status by local and international organizations, the absence or scarcity of KYC rules, the ease of transferring in-game currency, and overcrowded platforms that allow criminal transactions to get lost in a myriad of legitimate small-value microtransactions.
It's well known that criminals use game currencies, originally created to fuel a game's economy, to launder their money. There are two types of game currencies. First one is convertible currencies, which means you can both buy and sell them using fiat currencies. And the second one is non-convertible currencies, also known as closed virtual currency, where you can only buy it using fiat currencies. However, it's well known that in the latter case, black markets can appear, facilitate their sale, effectively turning them into convertible currencies.
Money launderers can either create new accounts or hack into existing ones to further protect their identity. Then they channel the proceeds of their illegal activity or stolen credit cards into the game and convert the money into in-game currency. In-game, they purchase rare weapons or upgrades through microtransactions and then sell their items, accounts, or virtual in-game currency stash at a discounted price on websites acting as parallel grey markets, such as eBay. APT41, a hacker collective, recently generated tens of millions of dollars in virtual currency in less than 3 hours, and effectively laundered them through underground markets.
The gaming industry is now taking action to fight money laundering. Following a recommendation from the FATF, game developers providing convertible currencies are now implementing KYC and identity verification. The developers behind the game Second Life are even hiring a bunch of compliance officers, and no wonder. The regulators are taking an increased interest in this former unregulated industry and turning it into a vigilant and compliant one in the future.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of How Criminals Launder Money. Next time, we'll have a look at how casinos in Macau launder over $200 billion every year. See you then.